I just feel like they've set her up to like get close to accomplishing sitting on the Iron Throne, but she's not going to. I don't think. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering if you've been around for a while why I haven't uploaded since did I upload? I didn't upload it on December. I think I only uploaded one video in November. Man, you would think I was a big YouTuber with this upload schedule. No, I've just been really busy with work lately because I work third shift. I sleep during the day, so I only get a limited amount of time to do housework and spend time with my kids. So I just haven't really had time to film. I actually I'm filming this video today for the review process, but I also needed to do my makeup because I'm going to Chicago to take my daughter, because today's her birthday, to the planetarium, and I'm probably gonna go to Rainforest Cafe. But I needed to do my makeup. I worked all night, haven't slept yet, so I'm gonna try to sleep on the train to Chicago. It's not gonna be a lot of sleep, but you know, what can you do? All right, so today I'm going to be reviewing products that were sent to me from Beauty Bakerie. Now, I've actually looked into this company before, and I was so excited that they reached out to me because this actual palette that they sent me, I had wanted to get. Honestly, I don't even remember what the colors looked like. The reason why I wanted the palette is because I don't know if they technically can say this, because it's not affiliated with it, so I don't know if they would get in trouble, but it's definitely like Game of Thrones inspired. I mean, it is. It's called Game of Cones, Fury of the Oven. It is a 12 shaded eyeshadow palette. The back says, our Game of Cones Fury of the Oven eyeshadow palette places your eyes under the protection of the dragon's wings. With mattes and shimmers spearheading the heat, you can go dark and grungy or strong with pops of color. Either way, it can usher you to your destiny. So, what the colors look like. And it's nice too that it does come with a mirror. But these are the shades. So, starting right to left. For me, it probably looks left right for you guys. We have Storm, Cakeless Man, or Men, Cakeless Men, like a faceless man. Slay Scale, Grayscale. I could do this for everyone, but I'm not going to because that would take forever. Iron Cone, Beats Landing, Poppy Seed, Burn Cloak, Valor, Wild Things, Snow Queen, Cakester, and Dragon's Cone. So right away, the names also go along with Game of Thrones. This is the setting powder. It comes in this like flower packaging. Like, to me, I don't know, I'm one of those people that like packaging is like a big part of it. Heck, how did I get eyeshadow on my forehead? But packaging is a big part of it for me. I'm a visual stimulated person. I don't know what the words here. They sent me the eyeshadow palette, the setting powder, and then a smudge-free lip whip, which is a liquid matte lipstick in the shade She's Just Jelly. So the box is like so, and then you can slide it out. Baking tip: remove with our oil-based lip whip remover. So this is a pretty dark color. I don't know if I'm going to use this one today or not, but I mean, it's definitely a color that I would totally use. I don't think I'm going to do it today because if I'm going to go with a more like natural, not natural lip, because you know, natural would be by itself, but a more subtle, probably just a nude color. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and prime my lids, and then we'll be back. I did a very basic brow. I didn't even like clean up underneath or nothing. Just going very basic. So I'm gonna start off with Storm. Pretty pigmented so far. We'll see how all the blending out is. So I'm pretty hyped though for this last season of the show. I'm nervous because, you know, everybody you love dies in the show. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna say spoilers because like I don't know any of this stuff to be true, so I'm just gonna talk theories. I think Danny's probably gonna die. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with cakeless men. I think Danny's gonna die. I don't know if John will or not. I mean, it would be nice if they both could live and rule together in harmony. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think just the way they've done Danny's character, like, I mean, she's always had like that little bit of a temper and kind of rash to her. Like her character was a good character, or is a good character. I'm already saying was, like she's already dead. But like almost too good. Like, yeah, she's had some moments, but in general, like I don't think she's gonna last because of the goodness factor. I feel like I don't know. I just feel like they've set her up to like get close to accomplishing sitting on the Iron Throne, but she's not going to, I don't think. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with I don't know how to pronounce this. Valor? That's how I say it, but I feel like that's weird. Like, I feel like I should put more like Valor. No, that's not right. I think Valor's right. And I'm gonna kind of do a I can't think of the word. A halo eye with this. We'll see how it comes out. I've seen a lot of discussion online. People think that Tyrion is going to betray somebody, like either Danny or John or both. And man, I just hope that's not the case. I think it's very possible that Bran could be the Night King. I liked the theory that he goes back in time and then like works himself into somebody to try to talk them out of creating the Night King, which turns him into being the Night King. I think that's a good storyline. So basically, when that happens, like his body is just stuck after that. Bran is kind of a weird character in the show, I think. Like, so I'm just gonna go in with some concealers as I find my Shape Tape. And then I'm going to pat on Slay Scale, and then pack that on pretty heavy towards the middle, lighten it out towards the edges, and then go back in with Valor on the edges to blend those together. Okay, so Slay Scale isn't as pigmented as I would like it to be, so I'm just going to go in with some Matte Fix Plus and see if that can get some more product on the lid here. There we go. That's starting to look a lot better. Okay, so I had to go upstairs and get a wipe because the fallout is real. But overall, the pigment is good. Slay Scale was the only one that it was super shimmery, so I thought that it would have more payoff, but it wasn't really coming off of the brush that well. Overall, though, I really like these colors. I think they, like especially the first two, they were super pigmented, and minus the Valor blending out a little wonky, which, like I said, could be because of my brush. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go clean off this and do my foundation, probably finish my eyes, and then I will come back when I'm doing the setting powder. So be back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go and try out this setting powder now. Fingers crossed that it works pretty good, because I don't have time to redo my face if it doesn't. Not so much that I don't think it would work good, but like if there's any like discoloration or anything. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh come on, I don't have time for this. It feels very lightweight, and it is going on pretty good, so far plus. Okay, So while that is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye and probably my eyeliner and mascara. So while I'm doing that, I guess we can just chit chat more about Game of Thrones. Well, okay, I think Tyrion's probably gonna betray somebody, or no, I don't think that. At least I hope that's not the case. That seems to be a common concern, is that he's going to betray either Jon or Dany, or both. Some think that he might even like try to get back on like terms with Cersei, which I don't see that happening. I think she's done too much to him for him to want to you know, try to get back on her side. But somebody was saying like if he thought she was pregnant, or because she says she's pregnant but she might miscarry or something, I don't know, but if he thought she was pregnant, then he might, because he had always cared for the children. So I guess I could see that, but I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and probably just like triple barrel my hair real quick. And then I'll come back to give my final thoughts. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I'm super happy with it. I think I'm going to really like the setting powder too. I have to make this kind of short though because I'm running late, so I will try to remember to finish this later tonight. And that way we can like see the wear and stuff of it too. So I will hopefully be able to remember and finish this video later. Okay,